Welcome to Power of Android. How to uninstall any system app using ADP command. If you are planning to root your device, only to remove the system app, then before rooting, try this method. Now let's get into the video. In your phone, go to App Drawer, search for Settings, scroll down, search for About Device or About Phone, select it, search for build number, press it for some times. Now it will turn on your developer mode. Let's go back to the settings, select developer mode, turn on it, scroll down, select USB debugging, select it. After that, let's go to Play Store, search for App Inspector, select the app and install it. So in App Inspector, it will show all the system apps. After installing App Inspector in your Android device, now you go back to your laptop or PC. In that, you need to install USB driver for your Android device. In my case, I am using Samsung, so I need to install Samsung USB driver for mobile phones. In case if you are using any other device, you need to install particular USB driver. It will be available in your career website itself. Now go to browser, search for platform tools. Select SDK platform tools release note, which was given by developer.android.com. Scroll down. It will be available in 3 versions, one for Windows, one for Mac, one for Linux. In my case, I am using Windows laptop, so I'm just going to download SDK platform tools for Windows. So agree with the terms and condition. And then select download. It will be downloaded in zip file. Once the download is completed, copy that zip file and paste it in your desktop. Right click on it and extract to the platform tools folder. Now open the folder. In the path location, type cmd. You want to erase all the path, then type cmd. It will open your command prompt in this platform tools. Now connect your Android device to your laptop using USB cable. After connecting it, it will ask to allow access to device data. Allow it. After that, in command prompt, just type ADP device and click enter. Now in your Android device, there is pop-up menu will appear. Allow USB debugging. Select it. OK. Now your device is listed in platform tools. So type ADP share and click enter. So in my case, I need to uninstall Samsung Internet Browser. I don't like that browser. This is a Samsung Internet Browser. I just tell you in settings, is it possible you can able to disable this Samsung Internet Browser? Let's go to settings, search for application manager, scroll down. It has a name like internet. Select it. So you can able to see there is no option to disable it. But using ADP command, you can able to disable this Samsung Internet Browser and you can able to remove remove it from your Android device. So now open App Inspector app in your device and scroll down and search for internet. It means Samsung Internet Browser. Select it. There is a package name. It's very important. Now you type in command prompt pm uninstall dash k dash dash user 0. Now you need to type this package name into the command prompt. In case if the name in uppercase, you need to type in uppercase. So com.sec.android.app.s browser. Then click enter. Now it will show success. It means internet app has been removed from your Android device. Now you can able to see it in your Android device. It's appearing or not. So I am going back to my app drawer. You can able to see this internet browser has been disappeared. So I will check it in application manager. Just scroll down. Application manager. You need to source system app. Search for internet. Internet. You can able to see not installed for this user. It means it has been uninstalled for yourself. So now I need to uninstall some other app. So I need to install Samsung email. It is a default email given by Samsung. So I need to uninstall it. There is no option to disable it. Just see, this is the email app. So again, just go to App Inspector. Scroll down and search for email. So there is some package name. So again, I need to type pm uninstall in command prompt dash k dash dash user 0. Now I need to type the entire package name in this command prompt. So in my case, com.android.email. This way you can able to uninstall any system app. But before uninstalling any type of system app, you need to take backup of your entire system app. So I already uploaded that video how to take backup of your system app. I just giving description of that video how to backup your system app. So like that, I'm just going to remove all my system app. Either you can copy and paste the command. Just select the command you need to copy pm uninstall dash k dash user 0 up to 0. You need to drag and copy it, and this next line you just right click on your mouse, it will paste it automatically. After that you need to type package name. So like this way you can able to uninstall any system app. Thanks for watching Power of Android. You no need to worry typing all this command. I just given all this command in the website itself. I just given the link of the website in my description. You can able to refer it. You just copy and paste it. That's all. Only the package name you need to enter by seeing app inspector in Android device and then typing in your command prompt. Once you complete it, type exit and then click enter. Thanks for watching Power of Android.